SEO On Demand provides link building tutorials, SEO discussions, and strategy insights for beginners and experts alike, all in 30 minutes or less. Sit down with a link building expert from Page One Power and explore algorithm updates, EAT guidelines, content optimization, and more. Page One Power is an SEO agency specializing in sustainable link building and strategic content creation. With more than 12 years of experience, we build over 15,000 links each year for our clients. Since 2010, we have offered services including custom link building, white label link building, technical SEO audit, and content marketing. We create custom campaigns for brands committed to winning in search, designed to capture authority, improve rankings, and grow traffic. We're trusted by clients, including Bostitch, Mr. Rooter, QuickBooks by Intuit, Healthline, Vivint Solar, and Hyatt. We believe in helping businesses find success through search. Learn more at pageonepower.com.